On April 21, 2025, Pope Francis passed away at the age of 88. As the world mourns the loss of a spiritual leader who reshaped the Catholic Church, a series of solemn and sacred rituals now begin. The first step, the formal verification of death. In keeping with tradition, the Camerlengo, currently Cardinal Kevin Farrell, calls out the Pope's baptismal name 3 times. If there's no response, the Pope is declared deceased, and the papal apartments are sealed. Pope Francis, the first Jesuit and first Latin American Pope, spent his papacy urging compassion, humility, and reform. And even in death, he left his mark, designing a simplified funeral for himself, one he joked he would premiere. His body will lie in state at St. Peter's Basilica, where dignitaries and the faithful alike will pay their respects. A traditional 9-day mourning period begins, culminating in a funeral held within 6 days. Then begins the next phase, the Sede Vacante, Latin for vacant seat. During this time, the Vatican is temporarily without a pope. It's a period of both reverence and responsibility. Only cardinals under the age of 80 are eligible to vote in the conclave. Approximately 120 will gather behind closed doors in the Sistine Chapel. Their mission: to discern and elect the next Bishop of Rome. But who they choose may also reflect the divisions Pope Francis leaves behind. His progressive approach often clashed with conservative wings of the Church.
Does Pope Francis support LGBTQ+ rights? Have you ever wondered how a religious leader can navigate the complex world of LGBTQ+ rights? Pope Francis has taken a unique approach that stands out among his predecessors.
Francis redefined priorities, emphasizing mercy over punishment, making ministries more inclusive, and shifting church teachings on the death penalty. To some, he opened long-locked doors. To others, he went too far. Top contenders to succeed him include Cardinal Luis Antonio Tagle, a progressive Filipino voice who could become the first Asian pope, and Cardinal Pietro Parolin, an Italian Vatican insider offering continuity, but not without controversy. The next pope will be chosen in a church that is growing fastest in the global south and shrinking in parts of Europe and North America. Geography, ideology, and diplomacy all play a role in what happens next. Despite significant financial contributions from the U.S. Church, no American has ever been elected pope, largely due to concerns about global politics, past scandals, and a centuries-old European tradition. Some believers see these days through a prophetic lens, recalling scripture about a great apostasy in the end times. Yet interpretations differ widely, and the Church presses forward, guided by ritual and faith. As the world awaits a new pope, the Church stands at a crossroads. Between tradition and change, between unity and division, one man will soon take up the cross-shaped keys of Peter. The question is, who?